Hello, I'm Mrs. Wagner, and today I want to show you how to log into your classes at Leadership Education Academy. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to leadershipeducationacademy.com and then click on the login button. Put in your username and your password and click Login. Right, and once you do that, you'll see a new tab pops up, which is called My Courses. So you can click on that. And you'll see a list of the courses that you're registered for. It might be one, it might be more. And you'll just click on that, and it will take you over to the classroom for this class. And I'm going to teach you more about what's in this classroom and how this classroom works in another video. This was just to show you how to log in. Now, there is one other way that you can log in, and that is by going to, so let me log out here first. Instead of going to leadershipeducationacademy.com, go to leadershipeducationacademy.com/classroom, and it will take you to this page, and you can just log in straight from here. So same thing, you'll click Login, you'll put in your username and your password. And you'll be right logged in. Now here, to find your classes, you'll go to your dashboard, or you can go to My Courses. Okay, so that's two different ways to log in.